In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a file upload button to your Shopify product page. This is really useful if you sell customizable products like engraved items or printed photos, and you want customers to upload their own files directly on the product page. First, open your Shopify dashboard and log into your store. Once you're on the main admin screen, go to the search bar at the top. Click on it, then type apps and select the apps section from the results. This takes you to the area where you manage and discover apps for your store. From here, click on all recommended apps and then choose the option to discover more in the Shopify App Store. This will open the App Store in a new page or tab. In the App Store search bar, type Uploadly. When you see Uploadly file upload in the results, click on it to open the app page. On that page, click Install. Shopify will show you a permissions screen. Review it, then click Install again to confirm and add the app to your store. Once Uploadly is installed, you'll see plan options. For this tutorial, click to activate the free plan. After that, click Enable App so Shopify can embed Uploadly into your theme. Shopify will open your theme editor with the App Embed panel. Make sure the Uploadly app embed is enabled, then click Save in your theme editor to apply the changes. Next, go back to the Uploadly app in your admin and click Add Block. This will open the theme editor again, focused on a product page. You'll see the new Uploadly block in the sidebar. Click and drag this block to where you want the upload field to appear on your product page. For example, just above the Add to Cart button. When you're happy with the placement, click Save in the theme editor. Return to Uploadly and click Next Step and then Next Step again to move through the basic setup screens. The app offers many customizations, but we'll keep it simple so you can understand the core workflow. Now, click on Create Field. Give your field a clear name so you recognize it later, like Upload Your Image or Upload Your Logo. Then select the file types you want to allow, such as images or documents, depending on what you need from customers. You can also decide whether to include a text field, for example, for additional notes, and whether this upload should be a required field before checkout. When you're finished adjusting these options, click Save. Your file upload button is now set up and connected to your product page.